Hi, I'm Rich Frawley, and I'm the Director of Training here at ADF Solutions. Today we are going to explain what makes up a search profile, how the default search profiles are categorized, and how to get the most out of them. We'll then show you a search profile and how you can simply customize a profile for your own operational needs, allowing you to make the most of your time and collect the data you need. I will then show you customizing a little bit more so you understand the granularity you are allowed when you customize. Within ADF software, there is terminology essential to the knowledge needed to employ ADF applications successfully. While there is basic forensic terminology and similar processes, ADF applications are a little different than other tools you may be used to. Let's start with an artifact capture. Artifact captures recover specific records or information, such as your browsing history records or user account information. As a user, you cannot create or edit artifact captures. And artifact captures are denoted by the icons of the applications where the records are collected. A file capture recovers files matching certain criteria, such as files properties, inclusion of keywords, or matching hash values. File captures are supplied with the program and can also be user created. That brings us to the search profile. A search profile is a combination of artifact and file captures and can contain a combination of default or user created captures. Copies of the default search profiles may also be modified to suit your operational requirements. And search profiles can be shared with other users of the ADF applications. The default search profiles are broken down into time and task categories: quick, intermediate, comprehensive, and mobile. Quick profiles collect applications artifacts, files connected to those artifacts, and files in web browser caches. Intermediate profiles collect the application's artifacts, files connected to those artifacts, and files in the user profiles. Comprehensive scans the entire file system, and mobile is for use with iOS and Android devices. Search profile runtimes can be from minutes to a few hours with the comprehensive, depending on the search profile you choose. In addition to collecting applications artifacts, the quick and intermediate profiles target specific operating systems folders. As such, they are not designed to collect files from non-operating system drives, such as an attached external drive, SD cards, micro SD cards, and CDs and DVDs. Comprehensive scans target the entire file system and are configured for operating system drives. However, they will also work on a non-operating system drive, as it is designed to scan the entire file system. Mobile search profiles are designed to scan logical iOS and Android operating systems. Scanning mobile and computer devices at the same time would require that a customized profile be created. Search profiles have designations such as General, Child Exploitation, and Speed Optimized. General profiling has no case-specific keywords or hashes and provides a general overview of computer usage. Child Exploitation search profiles have added specific keywords to identify child exploitation material, as well as approximately 400,000 hashes matching child exploitation material. And this is depending on the profile selected. Comprehensive search profiles with Speed Optimized identify files using file header analysis only on files that do not have a file extension. This option will gather more files, such as files contained within cache or files that are created by applications that do not specifically create a file extension. Quick and intermediate search profiles are speed optimized by default. So let's go. Let's take a look at profiles up close. When using an ADF application that allows for customization, you will look for your Setup Scan screen, which will bring you to your search profile library, and you can see here I have some quick and some customized, my mobile, my intermediate, and as I go down farther, I have my comprehensive search profiles. Any one of the default profiles can be copied. Any of the customized can be exported and shared, deleted, copied, or edited. To create your own search profile from scratch, you go to the right-hand function toolbar and select New Profile. Here we have our capture groups to the left. You can see applications, child exploitation, communication. You have some device data. And to the right of that, we have our captures. Remember, we have artifact captures, which are denoted by the icons of the apps that they recover the records from. And we have file captures. Both can be default and user created. To create your profile, you would select your capture group and select the artifact or file captures that you would like to run. On the right-hand function toolbar is also New Capture, where you can create your own file capture based on files properties, inclusion of keywords, and searching by hash value. For more information on customizing search profiles, you can attend one of our online and self-paced classes for mobile, computer, or both. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.